The PS5 ShareFactoryStudio recently added new creator packs to their collection. This video will focus on showing you all that the old school RPG creator pack can offer you. Generally, there are custom intros, titles, outros, stickers, screenshots and transitions, and I'll show you all of those in this quick video. Let's start with the intros, title and outros. And now let's take a look at the old school RPG screenshots. And then there's 3 transitions we could use. These are the old school RPG stickers. And then these are the text fonts you could use. And that's the basics on the old school RPG creator pack. So here's some videos to watch next. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, please subscribe if you haven't already, and please use NoMoreNoobie as a supporter creator code in the item shop. Thanks very much for watching and bye.